How to delete friends on Snapchat. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Snapchat tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove friends on Snapchat. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with removing or deleting friends on Snapchat, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Snapchat app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select your profile icon in the top left of the app. Once you get to your Snapchat profile, simply scroll down until you see Friends and then select My Friends. This will show you a list of all your friends on Snapchat. All we need to do here is simply long press the friend that we want to delete or remove. And then when the new menu appears, select Manage Friendship. From there, all we need to do is select Remove Friend. Confirm that you do indeed want to remove that person as a friend on Snapchat by selecting Remove. And then there you go. You have now deleted that friend on Snapchat. All right, so that's how you delete friends on Snapchat. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Snapchat tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.